do the ice in a feel better sleep, you know. I used to have to sleep from 8 o'clock, you know. At what time now? 1 a.m. and you're picking it up same way. I had just put the baby for sleep over the baby head cause I that metal her. I saw handicap, I saw this, I retarded, I can't walk, I can't step in my daughter's shoes. How much shoes my daughter have, I not have this, I can't compete. Mr. Girl, I never combo your daughter. I you me combo. I know so she keep on. I press both eyes until me just get mad and start this our baby. But then now I go on split justice. But I know a screen record is out there. I'ma go find it. Cause me did I say to her, say, I know you me come board, I know your daughter me come board, and you me come board. I'ma say to her, say, me I try for no cause people pick me again, you know. And it a work. So you can't go all me out, and you me come board. And she keep on I talk about ice can't walk and ice retarded, and she just keep on and repeat. All when me I talk about she, me just I talk about she will walk over and them something that she me I talk about. And she still down on ice. Till me just start cuss her pretty back. And I never say me just start same time. It take a while because it's been a while she did talk about ice. So she come and make it look like say me just get up and tell her about her pretty.
This
I tell her, you see the demon. Look on compound what I'm.
Ivany, no, about me. You see this?
I'm